right now we're heading to Chris's house with the stock Legacy wheels back there. Hello. To swap those out for the rotiforms. The rotiforms are being sent back to Rotiform. How many times can I say rotiform in this video? Zeroing out the camber, as well as pulling the headlights, taillights, as well as the interior, which you guys are gonna see a whole lot of today. Basically, so we can trailer the car to Area 1320 tomorrow. We're pulling the interior at my friend's shop, Dream Interior Design down at Mystique Auto, because he's doing the entire interior of the Legacy, which is gonna be really, really cool. We'll talk more about that later. So we're at the Legacy. We're gonna clear it off. We're gonna try to jump start it and get the car going, and then we're gonna bring it to the shop and start having the interior done. I'll explain more there. So I got the Legacy running. So unfortunately the battery's dead, so I had to jump start that. Got it running, let it warm up. This car has sat for about 6 months now, so unfortunately when you let a car sit, A, the battery typically will die, B, things don't want to work how they are, and C, you end up with a shit ton of leaves. But yeah, all of this will be bye-bye soon. Tomorrow.
I was like, I think you're talking to me.
Hey guys, I'm Anthony, owner of Mystique Automotive and Dream Interior Designs at Mystique Customs. This is my partner, Eric, and I'm going to let him take over on this Subaru build, doing the interior. There you go, Eric.
I'm Eric, my brand is Dream Interior Design. I'm partnered up with Anthony and Mystique Automotive. We run Dream Interior Design at Mystique Customs. We're going to be doing the interior on this very nice Legacy.
It's a Legacy GT. We'll say it.
It's a Legacy GT.
5-speed.
5-speed, manual.
Crispy edition.
Crispy edition.
Thank you.
So this 2005 Crispy edition Legacy GT, we're going to be doing the whole interior on it. Taking apart the dashboard, headliner, seats.
And whatever else is in there.
And whatever else is in there.
Yeah. Here you go, buddy.
What
the fuck is that?
I don't know. Can we do this on Chris's car?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, cool.
I can introduce laser etching patterns
Alright.
through fabrics. I can fabricate custom interior panels and wrap them.
Should we just get back to the car, Eric?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get back to the car, Eric. Thanks, buddy. Let's pull it out just because how rare it is.
Yeah, okay.
I think it's a torque socket. Eric, how are we doing?
We are
Pretty lit.
ready to take out the dash. Yes, sir.
And the headliner and everything else. So we're waiting for Chris. He's about 10 minutes away. Eric's doing his thing. Eric's girlfriend's grabbing a stitch book. So that way Chris doesn't do a black stitching. He's going to do a cool color. And we'll update you in 5 minutes. Hey, buddy.
Hey, friend.
How are you?
Sorry, we were operated. How's your vlog going?
It's going great.
Is this your vlog?
Yeah, it is.
Is that what this is?
Well, it's kind of ours.
Well, this is your vlog, right?
Well, it's kind of ours because, you know,
Oh, 'cause you're
sponsorship
wearing my
reasons.
hat. I get it. Yeah.
I was wearing your hoodie before too, but I changed.
Oh, wow. Nice.
You ready to see your car moved in a different position for the past 6 months?
Wow, it'll be different. Yeah, it'll be not in a parking spot.
Your mom also responded to my story and she's like, yay, it's gone. But she's
my
out here.
neighbors will probably be very excited.
Yeah.
Did you show them the spot it left?
I think I did.
There's a spot that it left, and my neighbors will be very excited that I'm no longer taking up one of the only 4 extra parking spots in our
Chris.
entire community. Now there's 4.
Come see your car.
I sent one text that I'd be there.
Who are you talking to?
Actually, Ben from Years of Gasoline. So check out their channel. We also have Foresters.
Yay!
Wow, there's part of a truck in there.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how's it going? That's a car. Not good. In a parking spot. How are you? How's it going, man?
That's Eric.
How are you? Eric. My name is Benjamin. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Open the passenger side door.
Oh, why? Because there's no seat. Is that what you're gonna say?
I figured because you've been single so long that you really didn't need a co-pilot anymore.
Thanks, man. I appreciate your work. I will take the check. We'll go.
Well, wait. Aren't you surprising people with the color?
No.
Oh, all right. Well, hey
you know
guys.
how long it take to not show people colors of
That's the
stuff?
color of the legacy.
Maybe.
That's probably the color of the legacy.
Depending on cost.
Still probably the color of the legacy, guys.
Just looking over some colors. The purple by the way, got here about 5 seconds ago from filming all morning. So excuse me if I'm a little late. These guys have been working all morning as well. But they did like a little sample piece here. I think this purple might be a little bit too purple for the car because the car is not going to be a purple. It's going to be a darker color. So to accent it, I think something like this color right here between my two fingers might be good. It's not the same exact color of the car, which looks like the one above it almost. But the one below it looks like it might be a nice accent color. It's a little bit darker. That won't fully blend in, but it'll still like somewhat stand out against this black material that we'll be using.
That's what Jeff was gonna do. He was gonna do that. Yep. That's funny.
You guys want to see how professional and already ahead of the game Chris is? Chris, can I get a vlog battery? Damn, this kid's good.
Eric, what are we doing now?
Today we're gonna make a custom shift boot for Cody.
Eric, you have a very large shop. Look at the legacy from above. Look, she looks less broken because we're farther away. It's got a ton of different samples here on the table of stuff they could do. Look at these. Look at all these colors. How do you do so? Is that like one thread or is that like multiple threads?
Rainbow thread.
Gotcha. That's pretty cool. Ooh, they're here. If you guys look in the sample book, this is under the Takashi 69 sample color. Thoughts on the Takashi 69? Not going to jail because he's a snitch. Stitching.
I like it.
Wow, snitch stitching. Snitching. Yes, we can. We just can't say trade. Step 1 in making Cody's shift boot less shifty. Cody, can you?
Sorry. It's a great noise.
Ooh, that was a lot of disassembly. Step 1, the only thing, disassemble it.
Glue it on there nice. We're gonna end up shortening this, which means I have to make a custom pattern. But for now, I'm just gonna cut in between the stitches.
No pressure. No pressure. Hey, can you fuck this up real quick? Just like cut it in half. Ooh,
Spray.
S2000. Isn't that a car?
Spanish. Oh, I mean.
It's the Spanish S2000.
All right, that is Cody's shift boot part 1 laid out.
And so you're basically gonna do the same thing for that, and that's gonna allow you to like trace a template or something.
Yep. Exactly.
Templates. Nice. Wow. If you guys look closely, make your quiet so you're not scared. He's cutting an inch of the
I would have gotten 5 minutes into this project myself and then just ordered a new one.
Roll that bad boy out. Ooh! Oh, well, anticlimactic. That's all right, I'm used to letdowns. Cool, so this is the Alcantara material that he's actually going to be using for the shift boot. He's only going to need a little square of it down there. Ooh. Why Alcantara?
Because it's motherfucking awesome.
It's his choice. And it is greatness.
Greatness, ooh.
You could draw things in it.
Let's coat this in great. Wow. Oh, wow. That's okay. I'm gonna. Why did you tell Cody that? He's gonna draw penises all in my headliner. That's a horrible idea. Oof. Oh, hold that baby down. And let's see this button getting pushed real nice, like. Ooh, wow, that is a nice light. Today in sewing class in home ec, we're going to be making pillows that we're gonna take home to our.
Remember putting all the patterns out for that?
I made a pillow made out of a money fabric.
So I sewed a few millimeters in. Now I go in reverse to lock it.
If people wanted like custom shift boots made from like any material, could you do that?
Yes.
Wow. Eric. Ah, there she blows. The read it. It's happening. It's happening. Wow. Wow.
It's like not.
That's pretty cool. And again, like you could do any color. Like we were talking about, like any pattern. You could do like any color. If somebody wanted a color thread, like a really rare or different color, you could do pretty much whatever.
Like blurple.
Blurble. Can you do blurble tunes on interiors?
Oh my God.
Stop all blurble
Not,
tunes 2019.
If you ask him once for a burble tune, I shit you not, I will key your car, Chris.
I'll drive it off a cliff before I add a blurble tune to my car.
So we're on the same page.
Half the subscriber base, and they're gone. Ta-da! You made a hat.
Yeah, buddy? What's up, man?
What you got there?
This?
Yeah, that.
This here?
Uh-huh.
Your shift boot.
Oh, there it is, guys. Eric actually just finished it up. It's all glued. It's all settling right now. So it's ready to actually pretty much go back in the car. Nice Alcantara finish with the teal stitching.
Chris hates it.
So, I mean, it's what Cody likes.
You made him shy.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That was
Ooh,
exciting.
there we go. Cody,
Yeah,
do you like it?
I love it.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
One of the coolest part?
What?
It's custom.
Sponsored.
So cool. So I don't know where Cody last left you guys, but Cody is just finishing tearing out the rest of the bits of the interior to leave here with Eric and DID. They're going to be taking care of the interior while we take the car tomorrow to Area 1320 that's going to be doing the motor build. So while the motor build is taking place, the interior is going to be getting done. And while the interior and the motor build are getting done, the paint and bodywork are going to be getting done. So there's a lot that's going into this car and a lot that's going into this build.
You know your car came with vape juice?
Was that in my car?
Yeah, I bought this one day and then I lost it and I forgot I took your car to get vape juice. So that makes sense.
Anyway, Cody vaped my Subaru, and that's totally unforgivable. So we're going to finish tearing out the interior right now, so that way Eric and them can have it here and get to work on it, which is what they're doing currently. And as you guys know, I don't know anything about cars, so I'm leaving this up to the people that know something about cars. All right, bud.
Hey, Chris.
Oh, yes?
Why don't you just have it load off?
I thought you were going to do the Chris Hansen, take a seat. Take it. Want to do it again? Go ahead, do it again. Hey, Cody, what you doing? What are you...
You go, buddy.
Oh, are those... you sure you don't have gloves on?
No.
No. Nope.
Here you go, buddy.
Nope.
All right. Biggest thing to do, label the bags. Label the bags, because when you have 4 screws left over, you can throw them out, or you can just put them right home. I feel like those truckers that's just like, bah, bah,
Trucks don't make that.
you're just like,
Trucks don't make that sound.
shut the fuck up.
All right, I'm just saying.
Hey, bro, you want to go for a ride?
Hey man, hit those power seats.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Careful with that because there's marks on it.
Oh, yeah, gotcha. Good thing they're 2 pieces. Wow. I was careful with it up until the point when I dropped it. We got this dash boy out. Dashboard Confessional is now out on the ground. What happens now?
Now we need to paint the picture.
Did you bring your paintbrush?
I brought my white pencil.
That's not a paintbrush.
To relieve the curve to tuck into there, so there's gonna be just a short line along there.
We're deleting the oh shit handles, right, Eric?
Yes, we are. No more.
Also, Subaru, why did you make the top gray and the side pillars gray and the rest of the interior black? That should make no sense. So we've been here for a little bit now. They're pretty much almost done with the car. We just ran into a little issue to where that slidey piece that covers the sunroof when you're not using it, and I think it's the OEM part number is slidey piece. It's not slidey, it's stucky. So we're trying to figure out how to get that out of the car right now without having to remove too much or reconnect stuff to open the sunroof and get it out through the sunroof. That's the current predicament, but everything else is going well so far. Cody now has a new shift boot. Most of the interior is pretty much all out, and it's gonna be crazy when it all comes together. It's gonna be fully redone. It's gonna look like an entirely different car. I just spent all over myself, but there's gonna be Alcantara all over. Stuff's gonna be matching. The roof and the bottom are gonna be the same color. I don't know, super stoked. And right now it's 8:02, and tomorrow we leave at 8 a.m. to go bring the car to the shop that is going to be starting the motor build and pulling the motor, and then from there it's gonna go to paint as well. And a lot of stuff happening at once, but super stoked. It's gonna be cool. We're gonna finish up this last part. They're gonna finish up this last part, and then we'll take our cars back home and leave this car here.
Drop down and
what
go
we can
backwards.
possibly do.
Dilemma. We
If
we forgot this piece.
Look at those flares.
We can't get it out. When in doubt, just drill it out. Last up is the door cards. We're getting the door cards out right now. It's literally the last thing that we need to take out. Headliner, that sunroof piece we got out, or they got out. Now it's just door cards. Anytime. So now the door cards are out. One more left inside, and then we are pretty much good to go. I'm gonna just lean these up over here with the rest of our parts. These are not our seats, but these are just where we're leaving stuff. So we have the door cards here. All the other parts, all the interiors literally stripped on the car. It literally looks like an abandoned car at this point. Cody, you think we could clickbait this? Abandoned Subaru? My Subaru was ransacked and abandoned. Literally part out, actually no, but here's literally everything from the car. So, almost done. Also, we didn't vlog it, but I took out the first door card just so you guys know. Cody doesn't do all the work on this car, so I built the entire thing because I took the door card out by my almost self, so. Alright, so here's what we're left with. No door cards, no dash, no headliner, no sunroof visor piece, no back seats, no other seats. Look at this, like I could literally climb, I think, without crushing anything. I could literally climb and sit in the car. This is so weird. This is so weird. The e-brake is all that naked. Cody stole my Cobb knob for the time being, so that's why that's there. Sorry, Cobb. Look at this. This is so weird. The car looks so much bigger. Can we just leave it like this? There's so much more room for activities. Cody, is that it?
No.
Well, is that it for the interior?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Take the wheels off and go home. So, car's out of the garage, and the interior is all around his shop, all around DID. We are going to go home and go to sleep and get how many hours of sleep, Cody? Probably a few.
4.
That's more than I got last night. And tomorrow we are taking the car on another trailer to Pennsylvania. Like two hours, a little bit over 2 hours away to the shop that's gonna be building the car, area 1320 out there. And then from there we'll tell you guys all about that. But that's gonna be in tomorrow's vlog. Sorry if this was a little long. But shout out obviously to DID. Make sure you guys check them out. We'll link them down in the video description if you guys want to check out. You guys have a website, right?
Yes.
They got a website. Check out their website. Their Instagram will be here on the screen if you want to follow them. If you guys need upholstery work, you'll be seeing a lot of these guys in the videos to come. So check them out in advance now before they get too jam-packed if you guys want to have some interior work done on your car or anything custom, really. So make sure you guys check them out. Cody, thank you for your hard work, and thank you for your moral support back there. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog when we go to Area 1320, although I don't think it'll come out tomorrow because the way I edit vlogs is like a month between. Subscribe to Cody's channel as well. If we didn't mention it yet, subscribe to Cody's channel, Cars and Cody. We'll link that in the video description down there as well as in an end card after this video. So go check out his new channel. He's got a bunch of tutorials and all that kind of cool jazz. Cool.
Thanks, buddy.
Bye, guys. See you guys.